Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is Gench Moto, and in today's video we're going to be putting a front lip on this BMW 640D. Without further ado, let's go. So today's installation is going to be pretty simple. All you need is obviously your car. You're going to need a front lip, a car jack so you can work nice and easy on the car, double-sided tape, screws, and something to screw these screws with. So what I want to quickly mention is I've got this front lip from Aliexpress for 56 quid, I believe in total it was. Comes with 3 pieces, comes with the sticky tape and the screws already. So yeah, it's not that bad. What we're gonna start with first is cleaning up the bottom of the bumper, but before that I'll quickly jack it up so I can work on it nice and easy. So just to clarify, I'm going to be using the sticky tape just so I can align the front lip, and afterwards we're going to secure it with screws. I would not recommend you relying just on that sticky tape because at some point it's going to fall off. So we're gonna have to give a good wipe underneath here just to make sure that the sticky tape is gonna catch. Make sure you do it all across. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on aligning the centerpiece first. That's what we're gonna use as guidance. Hence why the sticky tape comes perfect in time, because this is gonna allow us to unstick it, stick it back in, and make sure that it all fits up nice and clearly. So what I've done is I've put 2 lines across, and what I want to do now is I want to make sure that I'm going to send directly to these 2 ends. The front lip is actually designed for the BMW, so it should fit nice and easy. With the universal ones, it is a little bit of a harder job because you actually don't have the proper indications. Okay, easy peasy. I have to say I'm quite impressed. It fits really nice. And I've also managed to put it in the center. First try. Look at it, guys, it's already starting to look the part. I do have to say, for an Aliexpress front lip. I'm quite surprised how well it fits. I mean, the paint finish is not that great, but apart from that, very easy installation, very straightforward, and it's already half holes pre-made for you to put the screws in. So all you have to do now is just put more double-sided tape onto this part here, and then afterwards stick it, put the screws in, and we're ready to go. You know, one thing that I've always hated is double sticky tape. There we go. So with the Aliexpress one, it's got guidance to be connected to the middle part, so it's very, very hard for you not to be able to do it properly. Right. Just have to see if it matches on the other side. Right. Let me go show you. I don't know about you, but I'm extremely happy with how it comes up. It just in a way makes the car complete. Right, so on to the next part. So we're going to use is one of these. With the kit supplies, we have the long ones and we got the small ones. The small ones are going to the connection points and the big ones are going straight into the bumper. You don't need to drill and make a hole because these are gonna do the holes themselves. Right, so we're done. All we have to do now is put the car down. Very easy job. All in all, if I'm not making a video, 10 minutes. Jack up the car, double sticky tape in, put it on. It's nice and solid. Reese the car down and it's all good. I think 50 quid. Best 50 quid I've ever spent on this BMW so far. The battery on my gimbal died. The car's now down. Let me show you how it is. I think it's definitely the best 50 quid I've ever spent.